Hello everyone, welcome to the Real Deal Kitchen. So today on the menu I'm going to be making stew peas with smoked turkey. Okay, stew peas with smoked turkey. So usually we do it in Jamaica with pigtail, but for those of you who don't like pork, I am substituting the pigtail with smoked turkey necks. So this is a chicken foot. If you don't like chicken foot, you can eliminate it. Salt beef, which add flavor to your stew peas, and this is the red beans. So we're gonna use 1 cup of red beans into some cold water. Put it on the stove, let it boil for at least an hour and a half. Then you're gonna put your salt beef cut up in there, and after like 20 minutes or half an hour, then you're gonna add your chicken foot. So you're gonna add the smoked turkey and the salt beef together. Okay, so let's get these beans washed. All right, so the beans, I'm gonna do like okay, let me see, like 1 cup of beans in cold water, and you want to wash your beans. Okay, so this is what 1 cup of beans look like. You're gonna wash it in cold water. And then because this is the beans from the bag, and it normally takes, if you're not pressuring it, if you're not using a pressure cooker, usually these beans take up to 2 hours. 2 hours on the stove, unless you're using a pressure cooker. So you want to fill the pot up with water. And I know it seems like a lot. Seems like a lot of water, but these beans are from the bag and it takes a while to cook. Okay. Alright, so let me show you how to cut off the nail off the chicken foot. Okay. So you cut off the nail. This part you throw it away, okay? You don't want that. So just cut them off. Ooh. So after you finish cut off the nails, then you're gonna wash the chicken foot, okay? And remember, you put the beans on the stove for at least an hour to cook. Then you're gonna put the smoked turkey in and let it cook for at least a half an hour. Well, the beans and the salt beef, after half an hour of cooking the beans, then you want to add the salt beef in it. So, and then half an hour later you add the turkey meat, the turkey necks, the smoked turkey necks. Okay, so let's go over this one more time. So add the beans. Look at the beans on the stove in cold water. Let it cook on high for at least a half an hour. Then I'm gonna add the salt beef. I'm gonna cut up the salt beef, wash it, put it in there. Then after half an hour of adding the salt beef, then I'm gonna add the smoked turkey neck. So roughly, everything should be on the stove for at least 2 hours. Then I'm gonna add the chicken foot. Because the chicken foot, it takes at least, 20 minutes to cook. And you're gonna also add your seasoning, and I'm gonna show you how to add your seasoning. So I'm gonna cut up everything small. Cut up the small salt beef. So like I said, for those who don't like chicken feet, you don't have to add chicken foot in your stew peas. Oh, this foot is like, this nail is so hard to cut off. So I usually put slices in the middle, so the flavor could soak in. Guess I need a sharper knife. All right. So then now we're gonna cut up the salt beef. And you want to use fresh salt beef. You want to cut off the fat. Alright, so this is what the salt beef looks like after finish cut it up. And you want to leave a little fat on it because you know to add a little flavor to your stew peas, okay? So now we're going to wash everything. So you want to wash your stuff with, you know, vinegar water. You want to wash your stuff with vinegar in the water. Okay. So I'm gonna wash the salt beef and the chicken foot together. So then wash these chicken feet. Like I said, you're gonna pour some vinegar in the water and let it sit for at least 5 minutes, you know, at least 2 minutes. So I've been sitting in the water for at least 2 minutes. So you're gonna rinse it off. Okay. So then, this is what the beans look like on the stove. Alright, so you're gonna take out, I'm not gonna use all of this turkey necks, smoked turkey necks. I'm gonna wash a few pieces that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use a couple pieces. You also want to wash this with vinegar water too. Okay, so you want to wash everything in vinegar water. So wash your smoked turkey necks, the pieces that you're going to use, or if you're going to use the whole pack. But since I'm cooking for 1 or 2 people, I'm just going to use this much. So this bean has been cooking for half an hour. You saw the water looks red. It's coming out red. So you're going to add your smoked turkey and your salt beef to the pot. Okay, so let's go ahead. Smoked turkey. Remember, you're gonna add the chicken foot like 1.5 hours. Cause the chicken foot only take like 20 minutes. So this is a salt beef. Smoked turkey. So you're gonna let this cook for at least an hour. The smoked turkey and the salt beef along with the beans. Then you're gonna add the turkey necks. The chicken feet. You're gonna add the chicken feet, okay? So what's in the pot right now? Smoked turkey necks, the salt beef, and the red beans. So first you let the red beans cook for 30 minutes by itself. Then you wash the smoked turkey and the salt beef, cut it up in vinegar water. In vinegar water. Then you add it to the pot and let it cook with the beans for an hour. Then after an hour, then you're gonna add your chicken feet. So it depends on how your beans look. If your beans look like 3/4, you want to add your chicken feet like 3/4 when the beans is like 3/4 cooked. Yeah, so when the beans is like 3/4 cooked, then you want to add the chicken feet, okay? And don't forget, guys, your allspice. Gotta add that in there, and your pegs of garlic. And you can add some all-purpose seasoning and your fresh thyme and scallions, and I'll show you how to do all that. Okay guys, so now the beans and the turkey necks. So the beans, the turkey neck, and the salt beef, the smoked turkey necks and the salt beef, it's like 3/4 cooked. And look at the beans. Okay, so this is a smoked turkey. And the salt beef, this is a salt beef. I didn't put too much salt beef in there, so it's kind of like hard to find it. These are the salt beef. And I put some dumplings in it, okay? I put a dumpling like an hour, you know, after I finish put the turkey necks and the salt beef. These dumplings, if you want to know how to make them, they're called spinners. If you want to know how to make them, I have a video on dumplings, so you can watch that video on how to make dumplings, okay? So this is going to help thicken your gravy, okay? All right. So now we're going to add the chicken feet. So the chicken feet, we're going to add them. And along with the scallions. So this is called scallion, but for some people they know it as green onions. And fresh thyme. Fresh garlic pegs. So you wash everything before you put it in there. So this is what the fresh thyme look like. And then we're gonna add some whole allspice seeds. Remember, there's no Jamaican kitchen without allspice. So this is gonna add that exotic flavor to your kitchen. So you can throw a few in there. So this is what your pot look like. And then you're gonna cover it. Let this cook for at least 30 minutes, okay? And you also wanna add your all-purpose seasoning in it. So your all-purpose seasoning, whatever all-purpose seasoning you like to use. Remember, this is a Real Deal kitchen. So this is where you find exotic dishes, creative exotic dishes. So you can make the same dish many different ways. You know, you can add pigtail in it. You can add oxtail in it. Oxtail with smoked turkey necks. You know, if you don't like chicken foot, you don't have to put chicken foot in there. You can put chicken or chicken back. You know, you let this cook for half an hour. And remember the dumplings, I didn't show you how to make it in this video because there's a video on how to make dumplings. Okay? And this dish is called stew peas. So you will serve this dish over white rice. Okay? You serve this with white rice. And there's a video on how to make rice. How to make white rice, brown rice, whatever rice of your choice. And there's a dish on how to make dumplings. Stay tuned. Guys, look at these stew peas in the pot. It's all ready to serve over white rice, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, this is a stew peas with smoked turkey necks, salt beef, red beans, chicken foot. All right, well seasoned. So let me show you what the servings look like over white rice. Very delicious with spinach dumplings. There's a video on how to make dumplings. So guys, this is what the stew peas looks like. Look at it. Finished. I'm going to serve it. All right, so let's take a look on the plate. So guys, welcome to the finishing product of the stew peas. Look at that stew peas. Nice. Look at it. The smoked turkey necks, the spinach, which is the dumplings, and the chicken foot, and salt beef, and the red beans with white rice. There's a video on how to make white rice. There's a video on how to make wild green bananas. So this is ready to serve, ready to eat. Guys, try it out. Let me know if you like it. Leave your comment. Feel free to share my video, okay? There's people out there who wants to know how to make this dish. You know, try something different, guys. Like I said, at the Real Deal Kitchen, there's something for everyone. Try it out. There's a lot of other videos I have up, so try this dish out. Very delicious. I am ready to eat. Leave your comment, guys. Welcome back to The Real Deal, and thanks for watching. For those of you joining for the first time, thanks for joining. Feel free to share this on your Instagram page, Facebook, Twitter. Share it. You know, we'll spread it to people out there who wants to know about the Real Deal kitchen, who wants to know how to make something delicious, ready to eat. I can't wait. Enjoy, guys. Bye.